What is happening, everybody? About to go take the Z to get it aligned. Like I spoke about a little bit last night, after we swapped the subframe and everything over, the alignment's all wanky. So we're gonna go fix that. I did not get an exhaust yet, so it is still open dumps right now. Sounds insane. If you guys find a Tome, send it to me. I'm trying to find one locally so I can pick up before the weekend and not spend $1,000 on exhaust. But about to head to Nocturnal on this thing. Gonna get the alignment done and see how she do. How I have missed getting in this damn thing. Oh yeah. It sounds crazy right now in these fucking cold starts. Damn tractor, baby. Alright, let's get that. I drive this thing better right now for some reason than I ever have. And I haven't driven it in 2 months. This clutch sucks normally, but I'm finding it. Ugh. That part sounds gross. The turbo spool sounds sick. We got a 5.0 behind us. But does he want it though? I missed E85 smell so bad. That should be hitting different, boy. This gas station let me down. They didn't have Mike's Harders. Had to settle. Shame on them. You local guys that need work done, come book up Nocturnal 3 weeks out instead of 2. This bitch has been neglected. You already know we're gonna have to pull up on Logan this weekend. Get that gone. Get old girl cleaned up, looking right again. Cause this ain't it. You guys are building cars, he's building airplanes. Just dope fuel setup. Bitchin'. Here's Mike's car he's still working on. This is about to be a nasty turbo HR in the process of being made right now. Give y'all a little sneak peek right there. Getting everything mocked up. He had to fucking redo the whole piping because it didn't line up. Is that a Supra? With that intercooler though, NA car. This bitch straight sounds cammed right now. It's that admin tune. Gives you them cams, baby. About to get old girl up in there. All turbo noise. Way more camber and toe on this side, getting that dialed out. Old bitch gonna be good to go, brother. Alright, dude, tell them what's going on.
Well, since this thing still has the factory spring and buckets, it's got some like SPC eccentric cam bolts, and we weren't able to slot the hole bigger at his house. So now here we are, taking this arm down to slot this out so we can get the toe dialed in, because the toe is a little off on this side.
Kind of like the dentist, brother. She good. About to head out of here in a second, go get some Karn. Cam startup baby was hid. Literally sounds nasty. In a good and bad kind of way. Yeah. About to roll out of this bitch. Well, I've got expired plates on here from February, and I have 2 cops behind me. We'll see how this plays out, Cotton. He said, "Let him go, brother." They both turned away. Now I got an STI behind me. Hey, Nick, cousin. All right, we get in that corn real quick, and then we're gonna go head on out. This dude's holding his flag outside the window, representing that set. I seriously don't know why he's doing it. I don't know if it's a Mag Blue TEs. This dude's literally holding his blue bandana out the window to let me know he's a crew. I'm done. He's all about it, dude. He's loving it. Yes, sir! Got Sean's ass up here with that LS9 cam. All right, so we're heading out to race a ZR1 blower 5.0. That's 10 speed, and we'll see what old girl does. I don't have anyone with me, so I'm fucking pissed. I'm gonna try to hold this in my hand. We'll see what happens. Sean and I are a damn good race on my 3rd map. Oh fuck, I'm about to hit this damn bike. I can't tell how close he is. Anyway. The car is super laggy without the exhaust on, so like it takes a minute before you can actually get into boost. But trying to flip back around, we had to dodge this cop on the highway. But yeah, the car's laggy till it gets like all the way into boost without the exhaust on it. Like the throttle response is horrendous. But it should be a lot better once we get the exhaust back on. We'll try to do this while driving. Right in front of me, he's drunk as fuck. He literally just went off the road twice. I couldn't get my camera in time. See if he keeps doing it.